India ranks first in number of road accident deaths across 195 countries and accounts for about 11% of accident-related deaths in the world. In the year 2019, 4,50,000 accidents were reported, in which 1,51,000 deaths and 4,51,000 injuries were reported.
Keeping these factors in mind, we came up with a solution in Intelli Car. It is an all-in-one device to ensure driver safety. We are using an MQ2 sensor to detect the alcohol concentration of the driver. We are using ultrasonic technology to detect if the seatbelt is put on. If these factors are fulfilled, the key slot will open and the driver will be able to start the car. We have also included few additional features like the drowsiness detection system, tire air pressure detection, automatic headlights, and automatic high beam and low beam system.
Addresses many factors at once, unlike the currently available system which only addresses one or two of these ideas. And this idea can be easily implemented in both old and new vehicles alike. And instead of focusing on increasing the safety features of the vehicle during an accident, we are trying to prevent it in the first place.